wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind?
Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today I have another motivational video for you guys. I am going to be tackling the laundry, my closet, and the kitchen, just because I wanted to kind of just tidy everything up. I didn't do anything else in the house. This took me 2 days, but the first day I just folded all of my rags and things like that, and then things happened. I didn't get any other cleaning done until the next day. So the laundry I'm folding in this video, I actually washed it at my boyfriend's house. I do flip-flop and I end up doing some of my laundry at the laundromat, and if I can get some of the stuff done at his house, I do that as well.
Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me, baby, go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me, baby, go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, nah, nah, now. Oh, nah, nah, now. For love or pity, let me know. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, 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 we ain't got the time.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had
So with my laundry, I usually try to fold my laundry as soon as I do it or the next day. I try never to leave it for long periods of time because I've done that before and it's the worst. So now when I get my laundry done, I just try to do it that day or the next day. All right, so this is the next day and I did have one more bag. I think I had 1 or 2 more bags to fold up, and then we're just gonna go ahead after this. We're gonna clean up the room a little bit and then just pick up my closet so it doesn't get any worse. Say hi, baby. Say hi. She wants to jump all over the place and jump on my furniture. I don't mind, just not my computer area. So can we not jump up there, please? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both.
Question for you. If you have matching pajamas, do you fold them together or do you just keep them separate? I kind of like to fold them into each other, just so, kind of like this. I'm going to show you how I store all of my pajamas.
There's a party downtown, someone said that
Here I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So these two go together. It's a matching short set, and I like to kind of roll it into each other, just so when I go in here I can just grab my matching PJs. I don't have to be shuffling through everything, and it's just quick. But this is how I store my pajamas.
downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we
Before I head into the closet to tidy it up, I'm just hanging all of my graphic tees that I love to keep hung up. I've been trying to be really good with just tidying up and keeping everything nice and neat, because you guys know this is my problem area. It usually is a disaster. So before that happens, I do want to just, clean it up, pick it up, put things away where they belong, because I do end up throwing things up on top of everything. Don't ask me why, I just do. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and tidy this closet up just a bit.
I have to sleep in the bed I made. I don't sleep much at all these days. 'Cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want to what we want.
All right, so this pretty plush blazer did come from Just Fab. I ended up buying it recently. I haven't used it yet, but I can't wait. I got a cute little outfit for it when me and the boyfriend go out on our date. Hopefully that'll be shortly, and I can maybe do like a video on our dates. We'll see.
But you always pick me up and
As you guys can tell, I also recently bought a small fridge for inside my closet, just so I can keep all of my drinks and my snacks and things like that. Because when I ended up keeping all of my drinks and things in our fridge, my kids would drink it up and I didn't have anything to drink. So I ended up just buying the small fridge just so I can keep all of my personal drinks here. And I did buy this basket at Dollar Tree just so I don't have all of these boxes and stuff like that with my drinks, and it just makes it look so much better, I guess. I like it anyways. I know it's not purple. I was hoping I could find a purple one, but I didn't. But it's helping me keep all of my drinks contained and not just a bunch of boxes everywhere.
If you want love, look somewhere else. Heal for nothing. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, 'cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong.
Here I'm just showing you the vacuum seal bags that I actually bought at Dollar Tree, and they are worth it. I'm not gonna lie. I actually wanted to keep this extra pillow that I keep in the closet for my boyfriend if he spends the night, because he does like to keep a pillow between his legs, and he also likes to have 3 pillows on his back. So I did keep this special pillow just for him, and I feel like it was just taking up too much space in my drawers. And this small blanket on here on the side was Selena's when she was a baby. It was her whole crib set. I am having a hard time parting with it, so at the moment I'm just gonna keep it in this vacuum sealed bag.
This is my time. I'm feeling good. Rule every party. See how I shine when I'm alone. Nothing can stop me. You should go out, meet someone else, someone who gets you. Don't stick around. I'm pretty wild. I don't do monogamy. Don't get me wrong. You and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just falling up. Just walk away, 'cause I got no intentions of hanging out.
Now we're headed to this side of the room. I needed to just organize this side. All of this stuff is more or less for my daughter's birthday party. I didn't record a vlog that day. It was just too much going on that I was stressed, you guys. Stressed. But my sister did get a few clips that I'll probably end up putting at the end of this video so you guys can see how we set it up and things like that. I go into the kitchen and start cleaning in there, I did want to show you my new glasses. These are the first ones that I grabbed. I wish I had better lighting, but I don't. Maybe I can show you a little bit later, but I'm wearing them right now. They came in today. They're so cute. They go from to purple, pink, and like a yellow. They're really cute. I really like those. And you know, I just don't order just one. I ordered these blue ones. I thought they were gonna be bigger. I kind of like bigger glasses, but I really like the look of these. They're really cute. They actually look black on here, but they're actually like a really dark color. So I got those two. There's one more pair that I'm gonna order, and it's from my spot, Zulu. They came in a, like I ordered them like 2 weeks ago, I think it was, and they came in now, and that's about right. But yeah, so those are my two new ones. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning the kitchen because it's so horrible in there. Like, it's so bad. It's not bad, but it is. Like, I really need to get it clean. I still have those red curtains up. They don't match for nothing. I gotta do that. And then there's a couple more little things I want to get done in there. Specifically things that just get put off, or I just kind of be like, I'm not doing that. Not today. So I guess let's start doing it now. Can I get my glasses?
Can't see.
Thank you.
But then,
Well, because they're my glasses for me to see.
okay.
So that's what they look like.
And mommy has a bib.
I have a bib. Okay. Okay.
Now take off her bib.
I don't need a bib. I'm not a baby.
Mm-hmm.
You're a baby.
90.
Really?
Baba.
Ow, my ear! Did you you did that last time? Go. She bumped my ear last time and it was bleeding. Let me show you what it looks like. I love it. It's so cute. I can't wait to actually be able to wear my
Here, mommy, just sit right
my cute ones, but I'm waiting a year before I start changing it up because this is like the worst piercing you can get. It's the slowest one to actually heal too. So I'm basically babying this ear like there's no tomorrow. But enough talking, more cleaning. Let's go. You know my kitchen always is a hot mess. This is our hot spot. And yeah, we need to get this done. It looks horrible, you guys.
I just want your time. I just want your time.
I did want to clean off the table and move my table the long way. I like it that way more than this way. I don't know why. I just feel so, I don't know, maybe I do like them both ways, but I like it the long way better. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to clear off the table, wipe it down, and then change it.
Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities, lately got the best of me, yeah. You got the best of me, embracing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free, yeah. Oh no.
So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my coffee area. I usually never really clean over here. I don't really make coffee that often. I usually just buy it. but today I wanted to just organize it and just get it nice and clean because it was super dusty and sticky. It was just a hot mess.
Possibilities lately, you got the best of me. Yeah.
I struggled so badly with closing this drawer. It was so bad, and it's still, I can't close it for the life of me. I don't know what it is. I think I need to just take everything out of this dresser and organize it, but that might be in another video. But for right now, I'm just trying to tidy everything up that I need to get done today.
Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the bad inside me lingers. Oh no, we're running out of space between good and bad, running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I, you and I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud, love out loud.
I bought these at Ocean State. The smaller one was $5.99 and the bigger one was $6.99. They're a really good deal. My sister ended up buying some of these, so I ended up copping some because she got some. I needed some.
I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper.
So in the cabinets, I did want to take everything out and reorganize it, and I did end up taking all of my tumblers and things like that and put it somewhere else, just because you can see this mess, because as you can tell there's windows on this cabinet, so I wanted it to look more aesthetically pleasing, I guess.
But let's talk. Are you at the avenue? I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking of the way you, the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you used to hold me. Like the song in the water singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for ya. Forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking of the way you, the way you make me grounded. Thinking of the way you used to hold me. Like the song in the water singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for ya. Forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over.
After cleaning out the cabinets, I've noticed that there are splatters on the wall, so I did want to wipe those off with my Swiffer just to get it off. There was some on the ceiling, but I couldn't get that off. I don't know how, but I might have to get my ladder and go up there and actually scrub it. But for now, it's just gonna stay like that. And I also wanted to clean off this fan because it was super dusty and so nasty, and I hate using it because all I think about is all of those particles falling into the food. So I did want to wipe it off with some Lysol wipes just to get it nice and clean.
About you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand.
And the last thing I'm going to tackle in this video is actually this fridge, you guys. I've been kind of neglecting my fridge and not really cleaning it up. It started smelling really bad, so I did want to actually take everything out and disinfect and clean it out and get rid of all of the expired food. I usually try to wipe down my fridge at least once a week just so we can keep it nice and clean, but I haven't done it in about like a month and a half. So this is what happens if I don't do my weekly clean. It just becomes a hot mess, you guys, a hot mess.
Whole world with you, I'm so transparent. You tear down every wall that I built up. Now I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Oh, that love shabba. Oh, that love honey. Oh, that love baby. Oh, that shabba, give me love.
I did want to thank everyone for clicking on my video, and I hope that this motivated you to get some laundry done, clean up your room or your closet that you haven't cleaned in a while, or at least give you some motivation to clean your kitchen, because that is usually the heart of the home and it's usually the messiest for me anyways. But I hope you enjoyed my video, you guys. Bye.
Lights are shining bright. My friends are in the club, we'll go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music, energies like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history.
All right, so in the top I have waffles and yogurt for the morning. I still put my eggs in this. I put the rest of the waters we have, so I have to go and buy some water tomorrow. Just our milk and juice and another gallon of water. And then we're just gonna put our fruit here. I just have my broccoli, and then this is just for the cheese and stuff. So I have my cheese and I have some potatoes I can make for breakfast. And then this is just for like the meats and stuff. Got that. All right, and on this side, this is what it looks like.
Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight
Oh, that is cute.
Cute. Why you look like Barbie? How you doing, girl? Can I holla at you?
in your eyes, can't get enough.